Hey everybody, this is Nick Harris from Light Efficient Design, and today we have our Remfoss series of products here, our TRV and TRF. This is a Troffer Retrofit volumetric, Troffer Retrofit flat panel. These are retrofit fixtures that are meant to go into your existing fixtures and save you some money when it comes to disposal. These have our Flex Watt, Flex Color technology, so you've got 35, 4, 5 as your color options, and then for the 2x2 and the 1x4, you've got 24 watts as your max wattage option, and then the 2x4, you've got your max wattage of 40 watts. So we also have control-ready technology here. I actually left one of the ports in here so you can see. Our headphone jack sensor is really nice and easy to add and install. Very easy to do. And that's it, you just added some controls. So let's take a quick look at how these guys install.